Hello, my dear students. How are you today? I hope you're always good and never bad. I hope you're always happy and never sad. And now, let's start our session for today, the English phonics session. Today, we are going to talk about a new sound, the sound qua. Qua. But before we talk about the sound qua, let's revise. What is a digraph, or what is the digraph? The digraph is two letters make one sound, such as the letter Q and his friend, the letter U, together they make the sound qua, 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 such as the word quilt, 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 and the word quiz, 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 and the word a. And as you can notice here, we have the digraph A. A and I make the sound A. We have two digraphs here, qua and a. Qua, a, quail, quail, quail. And the word, oh my God, this word is so complicated. What is this word? Quest. The E is kind of silent. Quest and shun. Tion make the sound shun. It's not complicated if you try to read it like me. Quest, shun, question, question. Qua, I. T. We have two digraphs here. Qua and I and E together make the sound I. I. T. Quite, quite. What is this? Quack, quack. We have three sounds here. Quack. We don't say k, we say only k. Quack, quack. Qua, k. Also three sounds. Qua, k. Qua, n. We have here three sounds. Qua and double E make the sound n. Queen, queen. And now let's have some tricky words to read together. What are the tricky words? The tricky words are actually tricky. They trick you and make another sound other than their sound, such as I have, a. I have a. Let's practice blending some words. I have a quilt. I have a quilt. I have a quail. I have a quail. I hope you had fun with my session today. I'm gonna miss you so much. Study hard and do your homework. Goodbye, my dear students. See you soon.